got our slimecat rods out. We'll try here a spell. Wait for dark. See if we can get Miss Sherry a catfish before her big day on Monday. So we're sitting here, just get out of the house. We'll see what happens. Hopefully we can catch one. Yep, high-tech redneck. Get you a fan, get you a little breeze.
And a power pole to hold your camera.
Yeah. We are getting a bite on this pole here. A couple taps. Could be anything. But we will be prepared for a takedown here. Could happen. Stay. Well, let's go to a spot number 2 for an hour. Just threw out and something's already moving it, so see what happens. That could be a big old flathead right there.
I'd like it to be a big old something. I think it probably is a channel cat because it's moving the stream.
I think it's a flathead.
I'm not sure if I know the difference between a flathead and a channel cat anyway. I know what a blue looks like. It's doing something.
Oh, wait a minute. Huh? Yep. Take it down. Come on, Bubba. Might be a flathead. We might have a flathead here in a minute.
Come on, Turkey, get on there.
That was a pretty good takedown. Here. And this one.
Well, makes sense.
Got one on this one and one hitting that right there.
Where?
This one in the inside.
Inside one?
Mm-hmm. This one here.
Is it ready?
Yep. Drill down. Oh my God. Drill down on it.
I got it real. It's off.
Ah, no, it's not. Is it?
I don't feel like it's on. It's not on.
Oh man.
Just get it, Dad. Get it.
Here, to the real in.
Me?
Let me get the net. Here's it on.
It's little.
Huh?
It's little.
It's good though. We could try out our new net. Roll it up, Harvey.
I'm trying.
Roll it up.
But I'm trying, Harvey.
Here.
I don't have
Let
a
me
lot of
move
strength
this.
in that. Oh, yeah.
Bigger than you thought, huh?
Yeah. I'm having trouble. Be a spoonbill.
Oh, it's a big old flathead.
Oh my goodness.
Hold on to it,
I
Harv.
got him. Get your butt over here. We got time for this.
We got him. We got him, Harv. Let some line out. Push that button. Down. Okay. Let's see what we got here.
He's got some pretty markings on him.
That's a good one.
Sorry, buddy. We'll put you back in a minute. You've made my day, little buddy. I'm going to say 12 pounds.
Probably. Good hook on it. Good hook set.
Bugs are eating me
Mhm.
alive. Where's your pliers?
Oop. Okay.
Stuck in the net?
Yep.
Great.
Get in there and get the
Where's it at?
in that center thing right there.
I can't see a thing.
Probably underneath that bag. I see it. Look at the rippers.
Anderson, maybe.
Yeah, probably 12 pounds. I only got one for.
Here, plug him up.
Plug him up right here in the bottom.